If your computer feels sluggish when running multiple apps or demanding games, a PC memory upgrade could be the key to unlocking smoother, faster performance. Imagine handling everything from gaming to streaming without the usual lag or slowdowns. That's exactly what a high-quality DDR4 memory upgrade offers: more speed and better multitasking for your everyday computing needs. Designed specifically for PC enthusiasts and gamers, DDR4 desktop memory with a frequency speed of 3200 MHz, PC 425600, pushes your system to perform at its best. This memory isn't just fast, it's also backwards compatible with lower frequencies, making it a flexible choice whether you're upgrading an older system or building a new one. One standout feature is the CAS latency of 16 paired with a low voltage of 1.35 volts. This balance ensures your system runs efficiently without unnecessary power draw or heat buildup. Plus, support for Intel XMP 2.0 means you can easily optimize your memory settings for peak performance with just a few clicks. Real users across the United States have praised this memory for delivering great value without unnecessary bells and whistles. If you want reliable, no-nonsense RAM that simply works, this is the upgrade to consider. It's a straightforward way to boost your PC without breaking the bank. One satisfied buyer shared how this memory transformed their HP gaming computer. They noted the system recognized the full 32 GB with no issues, running processes smoothly and eliminating the lag they experienced with the original manufacturer-supplied RAM. That kind of stability is crucial for anyone serious about gaming or multitasking. While overclocking isn't recommended on pre-built systems, this memory runs cool and stable under normal conditions. For those who do plan to build or upgrade their rigs, the diagnostics suggest this RAM can handle more intensive setups without trouble. What changes when you upgrade your memory? You get faster load times, smoother gameplay, and the ability to keep multiple demanding applications open without your PC slowing down. That means more productivity, better gaming sessions, and less frustration. The design is clean and functional, no flashy lights or complicated features, just dependable memory that fits easily into most desktop setups. It's an ideal choice if you want to avoid gimmicks and focus on performance and reliability. If you're weighing options for your next PC upgrade, consider how much better your system will feel with faster, more efficient memory. You don't need to overhaul your entire rig to see noticeable improvements. Sometimes, a simple memory upgrade is all it takes. Worth a look if you want to maximize your current setup or prepare for a future build. This DDR4 memory offers a solid foundation that won't hold you back, whether you're gaming, working, or creating content. Upgrading your PC memory isn't just about speed, it's about improving your overall experience. Faster memory means less waiting, smoother multitasking, and a system that keeps up with your demands. That's what this 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM delivers consistently. The low voltage and stable operation help keep your system cool and efficient, which matters for long gaming sessions or extended workdays. You get performance without compromising reliability or safety. If that's you, someone who wants dependable, straightforward memory that enhances your PC without fuss, this upgrade fits the bill. It's a practical investment that makes a real difference in daily use. Try it when you're ready to experience a noticeable boost in speed and responsiveness. Whether you're upgrading an older machine or building new, this memory provides a reliable, well-reviewed option. Remember, not all memory is created equal. Choosing DDR4 with 3200 MHz speed and Intel XMP 2.0 support means you're investing in tech that's current, compatible, and designed to perform well under pressure. In short, this memory upgrade offers what you get: smoother computing, better multitasking, and solid stability. It's a smart step toward enhancing your PC's capabilities without unnecessary complexity. Don't settle for sluggish performance or laggy gameplay. A simple memory upgrade like this one can transform how your computer handles everyday tasks and demanding applications alike. Consider your system's needs and how much you value consistent, reliable performance. This DDR4 memory upgrade delivers all that and more, backed by positive reviews and proven results. If you're ready for a smoother, faster PC experience, this DDR4 3200MHz memory is worth a look. It's a straightforward upgrade that pays off every time you power on your machine.